Hi there guys and gals, I'm here now in Naga. Just newly dropped by the driver of the van that I've been riding on. So it's 7:43 and waiting for the bus to come going to Legazpi. Just got woke up. What a lovely morning. Busy people here in Naga City. See you there, San Roqueñans. Bye for now.